Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. So, the reason why I have no makeup on is because I am going to show you this CoverGirl mascara LastBlast Fusion. I've never used it, so if you want to know how it turns out, keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with this CoverGirl LastBlast Fusion. I've never used it. First time. I'm just gonna open it, twist it like this, and then take off the excess. And there you have it, just like this. And then I like this same thing. I've never used, I don't think, any CoverGirl products yet, so this is my first one. Just like normal. And then I'm gonna do, oh, I got some on my nose. To fix that. I don't know if I like this or not. It's like really hard to use. I don't know, even if I'm using it right. I'm getting it on my nose. And I have really thick, pretty eyelashes that are real. So I don't know if this is the best one to use. So I'm gonna fix my nose and come back with the end result. So here's the end result. It actually turned out pretty well by using the CoverGirl Fusion mascara. I said I didn't really like it in the video, in the earlier slides, but in the end result, I do like it. I do recommend it. I don't know where this is from. It's a family mascara. They said I could use it to test it out, so I totally recommend it. You can probably pick it up at your local Target, Walmart, anywhere that sells CoverGirl, so I totally recommend it. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Please also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.